Yo, what's up guys? Michael Xen back out with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be talking on how, I use niche trends to generate income, for my Shopify dropshipping store. So basically, I hopped onto the 3D apparel niche. I don't use this niche anymore, and I'll even give you my site in just a second. I don't use this niche anymore, so I honestly don't care. Take it, 3D apparel, it has like all the cool designs like all over it. Personally, I wouldn't wear it, but I mean, kids do, I guess, like 9-year-olds. But yeah, my website was melrose-official.com. Usually people don't say their sites, but I'm not using it anymore, so I don't care. I'll put a screenshot of what it was like right now, and I'm sorry if I look there, it's like where the screen is on my camera, but the lens is right there. So yeah, basically, yeah, I'll put a screenshot. I already just did. And yeah, I just hopped on a trend. It was in like November or something, and I juiced it out of like a couple influencers like crazy, and then using those same influencers because they were converting like crazy, and it was like I paid $500 in their story to get like 1 million views. So absolutely, crazy thing. And then even on that website, I literally just did free plus shipping with watches, and I had $1,000 days, so like 900 something. And watches, it's like $1 to fulfill, and I sold it free plus shipping for $15. So definitely not bad. That wasn't really a trend, watches, but it still sells. Like I literally just I made $1,000 in a day with selling watches. But I also did like a whole bunch of like chains I added on my site. But the main thing is 3D apparel. I saw that. Look it up on Google Trends. You see if it's spiking. Like see a niche that you see a lot of ads in, and then check it on Google Trends. If it's going up, it's hot. You need to jump in it ASAP before anything. But yeah, that was my old site. You can go ahead and look at that. Compare your site to this one. I think the only thing missing from Melrose Official is like Hahahha, because Hahahha costs like $15 a month. And like I'm not even using that store anymore, so I don't need it. So I just got rid of Hahahha, and then nothing else really is like gone. But if you guys know Allan, Maman, he helped me with the store a little bit. Like we kind of worked together. But yeah, I think that store is like a great replica of like what your store should be. It looks super professional. I've had so much work done on it. It looks super legit, at least what I think. So yeah, go look at it. I'll link it down in the comment section below. Tell me what you think, and comment what you guys want to see on this channel, and just comment comment marker if you're watching this. It's like at 2 minutes 30 seconds. But yeah, I think tomorrow I'm gonna have a banger video. I'm gonna be interviewing Isaiah Gonza. He did like $16,000 in a month with drop shipping. I'm not gonna say his store or anything, but it's pretty crazy. I'm gonna interview him on how he did it. It wasn't his first month like Ryan, the previous kid. It was like his like 3rd or 4th month, but it's still crazy, 16K in a month at 15. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna continue dropping bangers, but today really wasn't a banger. It was more of like a filler video and just showing you what my store is. It's kind of a banger if you put it into your own terms and just go on the website and compare your website to mine, because like that one, it was a really high converting store and everything. So yeah, without further ado, I'll see you tomorrow hopefully. And yeah, and when I say I'm not gonna daily upload, I probably will, but I just say that just like so I don't curse myself. So yeah, see you guys.